Let's do it.
Good afternoon. A pocket watch has gone missing, and they say it has the power to turn back time and prevent
Uh-oh.
unwanted events, like a premonition of the future. It looks like this one in the image. But
Oh.
is it real? I'm skeptical.
Is it real?
If you find it, use it wisely. See you next time.
What's this story about time travel? That's just fiction, bro.
Now, I'm gonna give it that watch. Well, maybe not. I might give it. I'm gonna hide it in case somebody tries to steal it for evil. Uh-oh. Oh! Now, I know he didn't do what. I'm gonna give him like a 3% chance of living. Yeah, 3%. Oh my gosh. That almost scared me. I don't want to laugh, but it's coming out real soon. He found the watch.
What is this? It must be broken. What?
Uh-oh. Wait, what's the watch doing? It's telling you about time? Oh. Wait, oh. So, we're reversing time. Okay, I see. Okay. 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 I see what's going on. What happening is happening again. He might not use it for evil. He's using it to save the day. Shout out to the person who found that watch. He almost like.
What? What just happened here?
I don't know. Ask me. What's gonna happen next? Oh, I know how this is going. I know. Y'all may expect me to be more surprised, but we watched this more times in a row. Oh, that fork runner got squished. That fork runner got squished. I know we haven't done some pausing in a while, but we're not pausing this one. I might pause on the next one. Also, he reversing time. Things are going well. Okay. So this is much better. This is like way better. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no. I think I've lived through this before. I need to do something.
What you gonna do? Ain't no way. I was about to say that could have been a better way to solve this. But hey, it could be a lot better. Shout out to the person who's in that 18-wheeler. He deserves a gold medal. And shout out to the person who done. Oh, here we go. Oh, he landed on his head. He got smushed. Range Rover. You have so much time to stop. You have so much time. Turn back time. Oh! That had to have hurt. Yeah, that had to have hurt. Poor guy. We see this happen before, right? I couldn't remember. It's been 9 days since my last reaction, so couldn't remember. He broken. What else is happening? Why? I wonder what's gonna happen. That almost scared me. That almost scared me. Oh! And he got kind of ran over into the process. God, dog. You see how in the replay? You see how hard he hit him? Dang, even his head's been pulled. And he got ran over in the process, of course. Of course. Dang. His neck was about to come off, too. He was about to lose a whole head. Yeah, reverse that real quick. Use the time traveling. Yeah, reverse that. Yeah, there. See, you have so much time to stop. I would stop too. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna stop too.
Oh my god, that was close.
It was, my friend. It was. Okay, so we're like a cool, happy family. Let's not get any car wrecks or anything. I'm sensing something. My spider sense is tingling. What was that? Oh, I see. What happened to the chains? Did they disappear? He needs to be under arrested for unsecured trailer violation. Yeah, see, the chains them disappear. I said chain. And he's like, nah, yeah, reverse that real quick. Yeah, reverse it. Yeah, do that. Yeah, we need something better. He's the one who makes time travel possible. Albert Einstein I think done that. See? Oh! It got so much worse. It got so much worse. They got ran over both times. Then the flame. Boom. Oh no. I'm gonna get him. I think I'm getting him a 0 at this point. Well, God, dog. 4, yeah. They're cooked. They're out of business. Dang, did his leg come off? Yeah, they're both cooked too. Let's try to avoid any wrecks, okay? Did he fall? Yep, he fall asleep. He's cooked. He's good. He done fall asleep. It looks like a ghost that's driving the car. Oh no. I see how this is going. I got goosebugs. Oh. Now, I don't even know how much percent I'm giving him to live. I think I'm gonna give him never mind. I was gonna give him 2. But never mind. Never mind. Dang, that explosion is kind of crazy. Dang, do you see how fast he was driving? And they both got on fire in the process. Yeah, reverse it. Reverse. It is what happened. See, this is what happened. Let's proceed. Something else could happen. Maybe something good, maybe something else bad. I voted for good. I'm voting for good. Oh! Okay, it's either he got out the car or he done fell asleep and then the door done open. Now at this point, I'm giving him like a 30%. Okay, sure he might be injured, but he saved the day. Like, yeah, do the stretch. Do the stretch. Oh yeah, he's injured. I might get them a 30. Never mind, 25. I'll give him a 25. Oh! Uh-oh. I think the time's up. Wonder what's happening now.
Pathetic. Watch.
It's not pathetic. You done saved the citizens. You done saved the citizens. And guys,